Hello guys, my name is Azi. I live in New York City, and then we have a busy schedule, and actually I don't like this kind of stuff in my life personally, because I said how it's gonna clean the house, this small thing, and then my wife insists, she wants to take it, and then I said, okay, let's try. Let's try what's gonna happen. And then we just got this recently, like a couple days ago. And then I wanna show you some stuff. This smart robot is, first of all, is very handsome, white, and very comfortable, very easy to use. And first of all, it has application, and this application, as you can see, you can manage everything over here. If you want to schedule, if you want to on and off, and it says charging time and remaining battery, area cleaned, and also it shows all the map, house map. Let's say when you're outside, when you leave the house, you said clean the living room, and then it start to clean. When you come back, it's gonna be clean and pretty nice, very impressive actually, and then this machine is like this, guys, and wonderful engineering. There is on and off. You can open and close, and then it says, there is a, the filter. I want to show you the filter inside. It's very unbelievable. I didn't realize we have lots of dust, and then unbelievable, amazing job. And it's actually very impressive so far. And then when it's finished the battery, and it goes by itself all the way to the charging port, and then it charges by itself right here, Okay, let me see how it cleans. Right, everything is perfect, and you start. Well, look at this. Especially if you have the kids, they're so messy, and then never mind, it cleans very well. It has a sensor, and see how perfectly it goes. It's unbelievable. Okay. Come on. There you go. And then you guys see, this is perfectly well done job, My best friend now. Bye bye.